Equation of line given 2 points. So this is the last question of the worksheet 1, question 7. Explain the following with an example and provide some additional information. So what I've done here is, these are the things which I want you to remember, plus add on to what you learned so far. And these statements here will also help you correct your answers for especially question number 5, 6, 7 in your worksheet. Now, here is the first one, 7a. Vertical line passing through the point minus 1, 6 is x equals to minus 1. Its x-intercept is at minus 1. So this is absolutely correct information. If there is a vertical line, then on every point, x value will be minus 1, and therefore the equation is x equals to minus 1. And in a vertical line, as you know, we cannot write it in the form of y equals to mx plus b, since the slope is undefined. And for a vertical line, x equals to minus 1, its x-intercept will be always minus 1. Now you need to give me some more additional information on this, right, which you can always add on to, because by now you know a lot about the vertical line. Now let's move on to part B. It says line passing through the points 2, 5 and minus 1, 5 is a horizontal line. It will not have any x-intercept. Statement is correct, right? These are all correct statements, and they give you information. And the information here is, when you look at the points, 5 and 5 is same for the y quadrant, right? That means 5 minus 5 is 0, y2 minus y1 is 0, and the slope is 0. Therefore, the line is horizontal. And so the line passing through points 2, 5 and minus 1, 5 is always horizontal, and it will not have any x-intercept. Of course, it is parallel to x-axis, so it will not have any x-intercept. Now you have to add on more information to this and then answer the question. Okay, part C. A line with y-intercept of 0 will always pass through the origin. Well, it's like direct variation, right? It goes through origin. And why should it go through origin? Since the y-intercept is 0, what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is a point where the line crosses y-axis. So if it crosses y-axis at 0, that has to be the origin, correct? That's the reason. Now give me some more information about this line which is going through the origin. Part D. Line y equals to 7 is a horizontal line. Every point on this line will have y-coordinate of 7, or y-coordinate as 7. Well, you saw this in part B also. Horizontal line is the one where the y-coordinates are same. So this is also a horizontal line. So give me some more information about the horizontal line which you have learned, correct? That's all about this worksheet. I hope by now you can write an equation for a line given any 2 points. Points given could be x-intercept, y-intercept, zeros, or any arbitrary points, could be in fractions, decimal, or whatever, correct? The method is, first you find the slope between the 2 points and then rewrite your equation with the known slope which you calculated, and then use one of the points to find y-intercept. At times, y-intercept may be given to you, or that is to say, if a point is 0, b, then y-intercept is given to you. Important thing here which we learned is that there is an exception to this rule. A vertical line has undefined slope, and therefore it cannot be represented by y equals to mx plus b, because m, the slope, is undefined. So we cannot use this equation to represent a vertical line. Equation of the vertical line is x equals to a number a, where a is the point which is common in all the coordinates of x coordinates of the points on the line. So a is also the x-intercept of the vertical line. So I think with that we can close this chapter, and you have learned a lot If there are any questions or doubts in your mind, feel free to contact me, write your comments and share it with your friends. Thank you.